Matter of fact, I came across a document the other day, written 13 days after Haitian independence, 13 days. And it was signed by Jacques Dessalines, who would become, he was Governor General of an independent Haiti and would become emperor a little bit later. And he says in that document, the state of Haiti will give $40 to all ship captains from the United States if they will drop on the Haitian territory all the blacks that they presently have in their ships. $40. And upon landing on Haiti, they would become Haitian citizens automatically and immediately. So that was the law of the return before Israel established it in 1948. Haiti had.
Take it to the next level.